In this video, we will explain how to add labels to our subscribers. The main function of labels is to provide a reference for replying. For example, we can go to the subscriber manager and access the subscriber profile. If a subscriber has clicked a button in my messenger, they can be automatically labeled. This way, I can know which post or product they were interested in. Now, let's see how to create labels and manually add them to subscribers. In the Subscriber Manager, we can create labels and give them names. For instance, if I want to label subscribers who came from a specific post on today's date, I can create a label called Today's Date Campaign. By clicking Save, the label will appear here. We can then add the newly created label by clicking the Action button and selecting the label. This way, the label is added to the subscriber. Not only can we add labels to subscribers individually in their profiles, but we can also add labels to multiple subscribers at once in the bot subscriber list. By selecting the fan page, checking the Select All box, and clicking Options, we can choose the Assign Label option to add labels to multiple subscribers. You can see that these subscribers have been added to these labels. Now, let's move on to adding labels during the automatic reply process. In the Comment Growth Tools Automation campaign, we can set up automatic replies for post comments and add labels. For example, in a specific post, we can click the gear icon and go to the Settings page. We can select a label to be automatically added to anyone who comments below the post. After setting up the labels, we can test them by clicking the post and making a comment. It's important to select our personal account in the top right corner before testing, instead of using the fan page account. By commenting and receiving the automatic reply, we can see that the label is automatically added to the subscriber in the Subscriber Manager. Now, let's demonstrate how to add labels based on the buttons clicked by subscribers in the Messenger. In the Bot Manager, we use the Bot Flow Builder to create the automatic reply flow and add labels. By double-clicking on the second post back in the flow, we can select or enter the label. If the label has already been created, we can directly select it. Otherwise, we can enter the label's name. Now you can see that the label name will be attached to this postback. After setting up the label, we can test it by checking the subscriber's profile to see if the label is added automatically. Before we make the test, we can check what label has been added to this demo subscriber in the Subscriber Manager. We select the correct fan page and find our personal profile. This label was previously added, but the latest label name Product A has not been added yet. We go back to Messenger and click the button again. I have received the auto reply. Whenever anyone clicks the button, their profile will be added to the label. I return to the Subscriber Manager, click on the three dots here, and click Sync Subscriber Data. We can see that the label name Product A has been added to this profile. Normally, the label update process is automatically saved by the system, without the need for manually clicking Sync Subscriber Data. However, since I wanted to update immediately, I proceeded manually. It's important to note that labels can only be automatically added starting from the second layer of post back in the bot flow. If labels are set up in the first post back, they won't be added. So, it's necessary to avoid adding any label to the start bot flow and add labels starting from the second post back. That concludes the tutorial on how to add labels to subscribers.